Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube video regarding PrimeXBT. Today we're going to learn how to sign up, create our account and get started in a very quick way, as well taking advantage of less fees, bonuses and everything that these guys are offering as promotions. In order to take advantage of the promotions, make sure to utilize the link located in the description area or in the comments area below this video. By using those links, you will get access directly under a specific account, which is permitting you to have less fees and bonuses on your deposits. Now, once you do that, it's quite simple. You must be on the website when you click on those links, and then on the top right corner, you have register button right here, the blue one. We click on it. It's going to ask us for an email, password, confirm our password. We want to tick the accept terms of conditions and privacy policy, and then click the register. Once we do that, we will receive an email with the necessity to confirm our email address. We click confirm, and we're going to be driven basically to the login page where we put our email, password, and we're good to go. So we have signed up, we log in, and then we're ready to start a trading process, for which tutorials you can find on my YouTube channel. Stick with me till the end. There's multiple series of videos regarding PrimeXBT we could talk about more. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed, and we'll talk to you soon.